Hi guys, here's a short tutorial on how to use Dirt Rally with Simtools. Or rather, how I use it. Okay, let's go to a custom event. Okay, so I've opened Game Manager, Game Engine and the Tuning Center. The Tuning Center you can open in the taskbar, and if you right click on the icon Game Engine you can see Tuning Center. Now before you open the game you need to patch the game. You can check if it's done right by, let me see, so like opening your documents folder and go to My Games, Dirt Rally, Hardware Settings config file. You open it with Notepad Plus or a normal Notepad. Notepad Plus is better. Scroll all the way down, then you have different lines. I have 4. When you patch the game, then it draws this line with this port. This port is for Simtools 4123. You can check the port number, but it's always the same, I guess. In the profile editor, if you go to more, port used, here's the port. This is the process name, so Dirt or Dirt VR. All my other values in the profile editor are on default or 100%. So why do I have 4 lines and not 1? Well, this one is for SimVibe. It's the port number for SimVibe. This is the port number for the Sim Dash, that's the Android tablet in front of my wheel. And this one is for Fender LEDs, that's the lights on the rim, which is not running now, but so that's why I have 4 lines and not 1. So dot kickers, motion, dashboard and the lights on the rim. If this line is correctly entered by the game manager and you checked it, then you can save it or close it, and then if the game is running, and these values should show up. So these are the game data values that come from the game via the config file into the tuning center. Access assignments. Okay, so these are the presets I use or made. So this is the preset. If you downloaded my zip file, you can load a preset here. Say Dirt Rally V2 or from the other games for the Top Reality P3. I use standard because I need to have some filter options for different games like Elite or X-Plane or other flight sims. So what I usually do if I got a new game or I need to tweak some stuff, this is mainly your baseline, these values over here, and then tweaking you will do within the tuning center. So what I usually do is I put these on 0 or no force. So scroll up, and then only apply 1. So the search force, save it, turn it on, test it. So that's acceleration and braking search.
Right 6 along, 100.
So as you can see, it doesn't sway left or right. It's only the brake and acceleration force. Pause the game. Go to the next one. Turn it off. Access assignment. So you can turn this off. Do the next one. This is sway, I believe. Do sway, save, Continue. Turn the game manager on, don't forget that. Thank you. Now only the sway works. And not acceleration brake. And that's how you filter out all the values, all the forces, and you can tweak it to your liking. So if I load the preset again. Okay. All the forces are in play. Traction loss, roll, pitch, sway, surge and heave. Heave doesn't do much on this motion rig, but it does something. Okay, my other settings are the interface settings. What I use is the preset that Dove Reality provided. So the P3, I have the P3. Choose the COM port and press save. That's it basically. Output testing. Output testing only works with the default profile that's selected. So the default profile must have some values. Go to default. You can see here it has the values. So you could do the output testing. Do that. So this is roll. Pitch, up, down. If I choose more, I could do the extra, that's traction loss. Shut down. Turn it off. Okay, now the tuning center. Tuning center is extremely important. If your values are too high, you don't get motion. So if you have a problem with one force like sway, you don't have any motion, and this is on 20, it doesn't work. And if you want more motion or more violent motion, you just lower the number. That's basically it. Surge has different values because of the shift effect. If you say capture min max, then you can edit the value. If you're done editing, stop capture and save new settings. If everything is alright and you imported my max and min values, then everything should be a-okay and you can use my profile. Continue.
Midload press jump 80. 150 left. Midload press 80. That's 5 miles long, over time. 40.
Something like this. Hope this helps. Have fun. Bye.